it comes to service, knowing the proper portion size is very important. This is going to protect the integrity of the nutrition. A student with diabetes is counting on that accurate carb count for their insulin. We also are held to regulations and want to make sure that we are working with a level of integrity and serving the right portion size. Not to mention, when it comes to kitchen production, I want to know what my yield is. And if I'm not properly portioning, what I thought I might get out of those mashed potatoes could be a lot less, or it could be a lot more. You want to make sure that you are working with intent and that things are accurate. Now, you're all familiar with these. They're in all of your kitchens. And how you select what you're going to portion with is going to depend on what you're portioning. Now, a lot of times these are the ice cream scoop, a disher. In order to know what size this holds, and you're going to need really great eyesight, you're going to look at the little number right here that says 2 and then ounce. And that's going to let you know that anything that comes out of here is a 2-ounce portion. So then this one is actually our 4-ounce. So if we need a 4-ounce serving, we know that this one is our 4-ounce and this one is our 2-ounce. I always use the disher for anything that would naturally want to stick if I was using a portion scoop like this. So think mashed potatoes. You don't want to all day long. I've got to portion 100 of these, and it's going to be inaccurate unless I have a spatula and I'm really getting it out. This is going to naturally force that portion out. Now, one is perforated and one is solid. And again, in order to know the exact measurement of these, there's an indicator right on the back. So you can see right here, this is our 4-ounce, and it's perforated. This one is also a 4-ounce, and it's solid. If I need a 4-ounce serving of cheese sauce for nachos or soup for an entree, I'm gonna want the solid scoop. If I'm portioning steamed broccoli, I'm going to use something that's perforated so that any excess moisture can naturally drain out. If I'm portioning our canned corn, I'm going to want a perforated scoop because again, that excess liquid will naturally pour out. This can be really confusing and tedious, so don't work in doubt. Just get clarification and find out exactly what you need to portion properly. It will ensure accuracy and it'll save you time.